Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm out here at the park, as you guys can see. And this time I'm out here with the Eachine E110, a little helicopter with optical flow. Optical flow sensor makes this thing very unique among helicopters. Not too many helicopters I've heard of that has optical flow. And this thing also looks like the Sentry, the spy copter. You guys know the story on this copter. Anyhow, I think this is not my first video on this. This is not my first video on this little copter. So the Eachine E110 Sentry Copter, very unique little flyer. I love flying it. And so I brought it out here to the field to just have some fun with this guy. Still flying it with the stock transmitter because I haven't figured out how to get this guy to fly on the deviation protocol, one of the multi-protocol transmitters or anything. As far as I know, it's not deviated. I have seen one video of a guy, but he did a full chop shop on this guy and added his own receiver and everything. I'm not willing to go that far with this little heli. You guys know drones are my thing, quadcopters. But anyhow, let's get this thing up in the air so I can have some fun with it. And let's just take off with it. Uh-oh. I forgot we gotta spread that out there to take off correctly. So check it out. You can calibrate this guy also. I didn't bother to calibrate it. Just wanted to fly it around. Let's see. It seems like it's pretty decently calibrated already. Check it out. It's not as fast as it appears to be on video. I've seen other videos where people are flying this thing and it seems like it's zipping along. Doesn't seem all that fast to me. So let me stop it for a second down here. And I'm gonna change the speed. Okay, this is the first rate. So the first rate is pretty slow compared to what I had it on. Let's go to second rate. This is second rate here. So it gets going in second rate. But the third rate I found it's not much faster. So let's go in third rate. So you heard the 3 beeps. Third rate we're in. And so check it out. Not all too much faster. Just a tiny bit faster. It flies nice though. I like the way it flies. Can get a little squirrely sometimes compared to a helicopter. I mean compared to a quad. Let me get it away from the trees. Maybe you guys can't see it. Get it up in the air, flying. I like doing those, I guess you can call them funnels, but it looks like the heli is going down when you do it with this thing. Going the other way. Let me bring it down. It's so far away. I wish you can turn the altitude hold off. That would be awesome. Yeah, it doesn't fly exactly as precise as a quadcopter, but it's not bad. Check it out. It does have a camera on here, but I'm not really that interested in the camera. The camera only records video back to your phone. It sends video back to your phone and you have to record it that way. And so no SD card for better quality video. And it's Wi-Fi, so it's not going to be all that good. It's going to be choppy. I already know. Not a big fan of the Wi-Fi FPV stuff. Wi-Fi FPV technology sucks to me. Well, in this application, in these drones and RCs, I guess, because I do have a run cam too, and it has Wi-Fi technology, and I really like it in that for what it's worth, for what it does. Allows you to monitor and see exactly what shot you're getting. But as far as FPV, I don't like it at all. So I'm not going to bore you guys with flying this thing too long, because I know this thing flies pretty long. Pretty long flight time with this guy, so you guys who like long flight times, this is the one to get for fun. If you don't mind it being a heli and all and have an altitude hold. Fun, easy flying. Gets a little squirrely though, so I guess that adds to the excitement. The skill level or whatnot, the skill that you have to fly this thing, but not too much skill needed to fly this thing. It also has gyro stabilization and everything, so it's pretty much going to stay upright, and the optical flow keeps it in position. If you decide to leave the controls alone, it'll stay in one place with the optical flow and altitude hold working together. And this thing just looks really cool. Check it out. You guys know I gotta get a speed pass from it. Trying to get it down low. It's not going fast though. We're still in the highest rate. There we go. We are fighting a little bit of wind out here, but not too much. Okay, let's bring this guy down. Maybe I should take it over here to the dirt to bring it down. Trying to bank it. There we go. Nice little bank going on. Let's bring it down. I was flying it up high to try to get you guys to be able to see it better. And it does that pitch up when you're flying fast forward and then you stop. It does a pitch up like that. Maybe you guys can see it better over here in contrast with the brown dirt. Check it out. Not so much around the trees though. There we go. Little speed pass. Okay, let's bring it down, y'all. Got a nice little spot over here. Should be able to bring it down. I push the button. It's flashing like the battery's dying. I'll push the land button. Let's push it again. Okay, so it's down. So I guess that was it trying to land when the light was flashing on the side, because it stopped flashing. And it looks like we still got 3 increments of power still left on this guy, so it flies for a long time. The Eachine E110 Sentry helicopter. Thanks for watching.